Dear students of class 5th, today we are going to continue the topic degrees of comparison. So, if you have not seen the previous video, please do see it to understand the rules of how to change the degree of comparison of an adjective. So, based on the rules, children, that we have studied in the previous video, we will change the degrees of comparison from positive degree to comparative and then to superlative. So, as the first two adjectives are ending in E, the first one will be simpler and simplest. Large will become larger and largest. Fast will become faster and fastest. Cool will become cooler and coolest. Gentle will become gentler and gentlest. Noble will become nobler and noblest. Wise will become wiser, wisest. Brave will become braver and bravest. Fine will become finer and finest. And lastly, great will become greater and greatest. In this exercise, 3 sets of statements are given, based on which we have to choose a suitable adjective of quality and write the positive, comparative and superlative degree of the chosen adjective in sentence form. In the first set of sentences, they are talking about the expense of shoes. So hence, the adjective chosen is expensive. Any relevant adjective and its correct positive, comparative and superlative degree of comparison will do. Like in the first one, my shoes are expensive. My brother's shoes are more expensive than mine. My mother's shoes are the most expensive. As you can see the cost of the mother's shoes, it is the highest and hence my mother's shoes are the most expensive. In the second set of sentences, they are talking about the cleverness or the intelligence of the student. So hence the suitable adjective chosen is clever. So as you know, the comparative form is cleverer and the superlative form is cleverest. And as we have discussed in the first video, when we are writing the positive degree, we will consider only one person. So Suresh is a clever boy. And in the comparative degree, we will compare 2 persons like Prem and Suresh. Prem is cleverer than Suresh. And when we are talking about the superlative degree, as John is standing first in the class, he is the cleverest of all. In the third set of sentences, they are talking about how tall the person is. As you can see, Karthik's height is the tallest. So Karthik is the tallest, Prakash is taller than Dinesh and Dinesh is tall. In the fourth set of sentences, they are talking about the weight of the thing or commodity. As you can see, the sack of rice is the heaviest with 20 kg. So the suitable adjective chosen here is heavy. The sack of rice is the heaviest. The bag of sugar is heavier than the packet of salt and the packet of salt is heavy. In the fifth set of sentences, they are talking about the temperature of the different cities. So hence the adjective chosen here is hot. The highest temperature is of Jaipur, that is 43 degree. So hence Jaipur is the hottest today. Delhi is hotter than Chennai and Chennai is hot. In the sixth set of sentences, they are talking about how old the person is or about the age of the person. So as you can see, Mr. Kishore is of 75 years of age. So Mr. Kishore is the oldest. We can also use the word eldest there. Mr. Kumar is older than Mr. Jaggi and Mr. Jaggi is old. In this exercise, they have given a description of a pet dog and we have to classify this paragraph into positive, comparative and superlative forms of the adjectives which are given. So most adjectives given in this paragraph are positive, like you can see in the first sentence, I have a handsome dog. So handsome is the positive degree. Then he has large black eyes. So again, large and black both will come in the positive degree. And he has a soft white grey coat. So soft again will come in the positive degree. He likes to eat crunchy bones. So again crunchy will come in the positive degree. Fresh will also come in the positive degree. His loud bark. So loud will again come in the positive degree. At times he is naughty. Naughty will again come in the positive degree. Makes the house messy. Messy will again come in the positive degree. But most of the time he is good. So yesterday we have seen this word good while we were doing the rules. So good will again come in the positive degree. He is my best friend. So there is only one example of superlative degree in the entire description of the pet dog paragraph that is given to us. Thank you, students.